Turn signal light accessories. Required tools. Open the controller cover first. Cut off the cable TIs. Disconnect the license plate light wire and side stand cut-off wire. Pull the license plate light wire out from the controller. Remove the cushion. Dismount the taillight. Take out the old bracket. Replace with a new taillight bracket. The one with the male connector is the left turn signal light. Do not tighten the screws for the time being. Install the taillight. Tighten the screws. Take out the wiring harness first, for easy threading of the additional wiring harness. Fit the additional wiring harness and thread it out from the upper pipe opening. Reinstall the original wiring harness. Align all connectors arrow to arrow when connecting. Connect the shorter wire in the harness to the license plate light wire. And thread the wire out from the upper pipe opening. Connect the taillight connector. Reinstall the cushion. And tighten the screws. Thread the rear turn signal light connector out from the upper pipe opening and connect it to the turn signal light connector. Thread an iron wire in from the bottom. Tie the license plate light connector with it. And pull the connector out from the bottom pipe opening. Reconnect the license plate light wire and the side stand cut-off wire. Secure the wires with cable TIs. Loosen the screws of the throttle grip. Pull off the grip cover. Disconnect the throttle grip connector. Dismount the front brake lever. Install the combination switch. Fit the brake lever. Do not tighten the screws for the time being. Mount the throttle grip. Note the washer in the middle. Put on the grip cover. And fix the throttle grip. Adjust the height of the brake lever. And tighten the screws. Tighten the screws of the combination switch. The left turn signal light is with the male connector. Tighten the screws. Note the female connector for the right turn signal light. Connect it to the turn signal light connector. Reconnect the throttle grip connector. Install the battery. Test the turn signal lights. And the license plate light. Rewrap the wiring harness with a corrugated tube. Secure the wires at the controller with cable ties. And tidy up all wiring harnesses. Put the controller cover back on. Do not pinch the wires. And fix it with screws. Then tighten the screws of the rear turn signal lights. Well done, the installation is completed.